Isn't it time you discovered the secret to a converting Instagram bio and exactly how to gain followers? Let me tell you something. It's a lot more than just an I help statement. Stick around until the end and you'll find out why. First of all, let me start off by giving you guys all a warm welcome to my channel, the best channel for any business owner looking for social media tips in order to transform their business. So if that's you, stick around and hang out here because you're going to find a ton of value that is going to benefit you. Now, let's go ahead and dive right into our topic of the day, which is the Instagram bio. I know a lot of you have heard tons and tons and tons about the Instagram bio, but really, what's the best way in order to create an Instagram bio that actually converts and gets us followers? I've personally helped over 39 businesses and counting hit the jackpot with their Instagram bio in order to gain not only followers, but real followers. And I'm gonna tell you the exact process that I walk through with them right now during this video. If you're already saying, hey, my Instagram bio is completely optimized, then the next step for you would be to check this video out right up here and follow along through your Instagram journey in order to make sure that you are getting those followers to your end goal of your business. As any other business owner out there on Instagram, we probably see at least one post daily on somebody telling us the right way to optimize our Instagram bio for success. Am I right? Right. So how come when you try this and when you actually go through all these steps that they're telling us, how come we're still not getting the results? Because I know that this happened to me. I created my I help statement and then a couple followers, but it wasn't really what I expected. I expected people to actually know I was talking to them and actually know that this is the community that they wanted to build a part of. So I put myself to the test. I sat down, I grabbed my insights, all my analytics, and I found out this process. And by the way, along this process, I learned a secret tip that I don't usually share, but I'm gonna share it with you right now. I change my bio honestly, at least once every 2 weeks. Why am I doing this? I change it because I like knowing what words are working. I always change something small and then I compare it. I literally have an Excel sheet where I'm comparing exactly what's working and what's not working, so I can assure you that what I'm about to share with you right now works. Step number one. Number one is to not copy word for word. The biggest problem with that I help statement is that so many people on the Instagram world already have it that once we see it as the audience from a consumer perspective, we're already on alert mode. It's like when back in the days, right? Back in the days when we used to listen to the radio station, and those annoying alerts and announcements came on the radio saying the exact same thing that the previous brand had already said, right? I'm 100% sure that you're thinking of a jingle right now that was on the radio all the time. That's exactly what you don't want to be. You don't want to be something that's just a jingle, something that's just basically made fun of. You want to make sure that you are captivating and grabbing those followers in order to put them inside your business if they are your potential customer, right? That's another of the biggest things. We're not only gaining followers because just followers for no reason doesn't even have a purpose. We're gaining real followers. So on that note, let me go to number two. Number two is something that you should probably already know, is that your username and your name are searchable. That is one of the slightest things that Instagram has that is searchable. As you guys know, you can't really search for a piece of content or ask a question on Instagram like you would on Google or YouTube, but what you can do is search for a name. So just like when you meet somebody and they say, hey, yeah, that's my username, you can literally search for business coach or marketing coach or marketing strategist, whatever it may be that you're looking for as a consumer. And this is a way that your Instagram account would actually come up to your competitors. So whether your username or your actual account name have that big known topic, that searchable title under what you're known for, you decide. Pick either or, but do not use it in both. Make sure that if you are a personal brand, you're using your name in one or the other. And if you are a brand, that you're using your actual business name as the other. So for example, at the agency, we work with a local spa in the South Florida area. So for their actual username handle, we would put their actual name. So Spa and Wellness Center. In the actual name account of the actual Instagram profile, we would put South Florida's #1 spa. This is the best way for them to actually come up, but people to still connect what spa this is in order for them to actually take action, go to the spa or find the spa online, or just give them a call to set up their appointment. That's exactly what you want to do with your business, okay? So now let's go on to number 3. Number 3, and basically the biggest mistake that people aren't doing on their Instagram bio, so listen up, is to grab your audience's attention. We keep it super shallow, we keep it super basic, we just say the minimal things, but we're not really catching the attention. So as the same thing as you would do when you're writing a caption on your Instagram, when you're scripting a video, you want to make sure that you're putting an attention grabber, something that actually makes you stop when you're scrolling down or makes you actually read it when you land on the account. That's the #1 thing that you need to make sure that you're grabbing somebody's attention, and that's something that nobody's explaining to you. That's not something that's word for word. It's something that has to come personal with what your business is about and who your audience is. Think about it, put some time, think about what would make that ideal customer trigger, and then add that into your bio. If you're having a little bit of trouble with your bio and actually spacing it, I recommend the IG line breaker, and I'll add that link down below in the bio, okay? That's just the best way for you to create different paragraphs so that everything is on its own separate line. Now, let's move on to the next step, number 4. Number 4 is to speak to one person, okay? When we're speaking to one person, and you as a business owner, you already know this. You know exactly what I'm talking about. But let's take it a step further. Let's make sure that everything we're writing has that you in there. Actually, put in you in there. I'm helping you out, okay? So after you already say the main thing, you say your attention grabber, make sure you have a you and I. So I will help you do this. I will teach you how to do this. I will guide you into doing this, whatever it may be, okay? Make sure that you're making it super simple, that you are guiding them by using that you in your Instagram bio. All right, now, number 5. Number 5 is to add accountability. So who even are you? Why should we trust you? I know that there's tons of coaches out there, gurus out there. There's everything. There's everything that we can think of on Instagram. So why exactly should we trust you? Do you have an actual business? Have you done whatever you're coaching for before? Has your physical location helped thousands of people? Have you been featured on any news outlets? Have you gained any awards, any recognitions, anything? What can we use in order to trust you even more? Remember that relationships are all about trust, and buying is all about trust. You only buy from people that you trust. So make sure that from the beginning you already have an element inside your bio that's creating that trust for you. Next step and final step, but definitely not the least important. Actually, I would almost say that this is one of the most important things on your whole Instagram profile. I'm talking all about your call to action and your link. And this is something, like I mentioned before, that I test around with almost every 2 weeks, because you have to know what's working, okay? If people are actually going to download your freebie, if you want to send them directly to your product, how many people are buying directly without any further explanation or without any further communication with you, how many people are clicking on your video, how many people are joining your newsletter, okay? If that's what you have in your link, how many people are going straight to your website? And on your website, make sure you understand the analytics of where the people are going on your website. Because if we just send them to a link and I don't know, where'd they go? I don't know, maybe they clicked, maybe they didn't. If you don't even know what's going on in that process, I can assure you that there's tons and tons of things that you can be doing better, okay? We need to know the exact process that our consumers and our potential consumers are going through in order to best optimize and to ensure that they're getting to our end goal of our business. As business owners, that's our main goal, okay? I recommend you to take these tips, go ahead and change your Instagram bio. If you're already using the I help statement, analyze your insights. It's completely free. Go on your Instagram account, analyze if it's working for you, analyze how many people have landed on your profile. So look at profile visits, how many people you've converted into followers, how many people have clicked on your website. And if these numbers aren't in green, if these numbers aren't as a positive increase, then I need you to change some things. And even then, even if you have a positive increase, I recommend you to today change your Instagram bio, okay? Write down your current numbers, change your Instagram bio, and analyze it at least in 7 days, okay? Using your insights, see what's working, see what's not working, and you might not even know what a drastic change this could be, not only for your Instagram, but for your whole business. Go ahead and do that. Change your Instagram bio. Send me a screenshot just for you, okay? If you're watching this video, send me a screenshot. Send it directly to my Instagram DMs, and I will give you my personal opinion on your Instagram bio and give you that thumbs up or give you a couple of recommendations on what to change, okay? But hurry, go ahead and do it now so I can let you know what you have to alter in order to ensure your maximum results, all right? And before you go, make sure to hit that bell because the next Instagram video, I'm not going to spoil it yet, but there's gonna be tons of secrets that you don't even wanna miss out. So hit that bell, don't just subscribe, but hit that notification bell because I promise you this next video is going to be amazing. All right, see you, bye-bye.